பாராளுமன்றத்தில் தமிழக மீனவர்கள் பிரச்சினைகள் குறித்து பேசும்போது பிரதமர் மோடியை கடுமையாக விமர்சித்த மதிமுக எம்பி வைகோவிற்கு மத்திய நிதியமைச்சர் நிர்மலா சீதாராமன் ஆன் ஸ்பாட்டில் பதிலடி கொடுத்துள்ளார்.
Our Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, has met the Prime Minister and he has met the External Affairs Minister and wrote several letters. But all are going to the dustbin. This is the way in which the Delhi government, the central government, is treating the people of Tamil Nadu, the citizens of India, fishermen. And hereafter at least, you don't go there. You call them here. In whole of Tamil Nadu, we feel we have become totally orphaned by the treatment of the Indian government. I am so thankful you did.
Thank you, Mr. Vaiko.
Senior member Vaiko speaks a lot with emotion, and we are sympathetic and we understand his concern. We will make all efforts. In fact, I'll take this opportunity to remind this August House that in 2014, this is a response to 0 hour. Whichever member said that, I would submit to you. In 2014, sir, it was Honorable Prime Minister who directly spoke to the Sri Lankan government on resumption of office here, on becoming the Prime Minister, and brought those fishermen who were sent to the gallows by the Sri Lankan courts and the Sri Lankan government, were brought back alive to India by the efforts made by the Prime Minister, who had just then become Prime Minister. And therefore, let it be sure here that there is no effort left out without trying to help our fishermen. Every time there is a crisis, the Foreign Affairs, External Affairs Minister and the Prime Minister himself.
செய்திகளை உள்ளது உள்ளபடி தெரிந்து கொள்ள ரெஃப்ளெக்ட் நியூஸை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.